Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today with Alexis Christophorus.
All right, guys, I want to start with Keurig Dr Pepper. Having a good morning, up 2.5%, up about 6% a year to date. You know, I was looking at some of their brands. Some I knew they had, some I didn't. Of course, Dr Pepper, the Keurig brewing systems, Snapple Canada Dry. Ooh. Didn't realize they owned Bai, Crush, Mott's applesauce.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, pretty big portfolio.
I like Dr. Pepper, but I just don't drink it often. I don't see it that often.
You don't see it, right? Yeah, no. I don't know. It's got like a weird aftertaste for me.
But it's definitely unique. And
each to his own. All right.
Yep,
they're offering an upbeat forecast for full year sales, and they expect a boost from their planned buyout of the Dutch coffee maker Peet's. You know, you see Peet's around.
Coffee, sure.
We don't have a lot here in the city, but it's happening because there was a lot of skepticism over the amount of debt that Keurig was taking on acquiring Peet's. So the company earlier this week said it was going to raise an additional $1.5 billion in capital in an effort to reduce its leverage.
Thank you for doing this. I just said, folks, I used Google Gemini here. That's what we use within to try to make our conversation smarter. They're outpacing Pepsi.
Yeah.
I would have never known that.
I'm telling you, it's pretty crazy. Well, maybe because some of their drinks.
Can we get a Tito's and Dr. Pepper? So can we work on that?
That'd be interesting.
Next.
All right, Planet Fitness. I don't get this, okay? The stock is down 5%. It had higher profit and revenue in the fourth quarter, added members, opened new locations, and it's even forecasting growth ahead. I think the problem here is the growth is not as robust as Wall Street expected. So it's another one of those
expectations.
Yeah, the bar is now so high. It expects adjusted earnings to grow 9 to 10%, revenue to increase about 9%, and it's going to see revenue climb. Yeah, revenue climbed 11% last quarter. Also opened up a bunch of new gyms and added 1.1 million new subscribers.
Right.
So, you know,
Hampton, New Hampshire.
Sure.
I would have never known.
No.
I'm looking here at the 10-year track record, and it's better than my workout regime. Are you kidding me? Planet Fitness 10-year track record, 22% per year.
Really?
Oh, wow.
That's caught and chiseled.
Yeah, absolutely. There you go.
Like Ed Ludlow.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, out there on the West Coast.
Next.
All right, let's go to Hims & Hers Health. It has been a rough start to the year for this company. It's a telehealth company, down 6% today alone and down 52% so far this year. Weaker outlook for the first quarter. And the company is also refusing to answer questions about its ability to sell these compounded versions.
That's what I don't understand.
Or these knockoffs of the weight loss drugs from that are similar to Novo Nordisk's and Eli Lilly's drugs. So it said sales for the year are going to be between 2.7 and 2.9 billion, just matching estimates. But what really happened here is competition in the obesity market is very strong right now, and it botched the launch of a copycat version of Novo Nordisk's new weight loss pill. Okay. And now Novo is suing Hims & Hers.
I never understood the premise for this company in the first place.
Right.
I thought the whole patent stuff is there for a reason. And
I mean, I could understand if they were jumping into the fray once these drugs came off patent, but it seems like they're not.
And it's the whole concept of they're making these compounds, which I don't fully understand.
Because they're hoping they're different enough,
just enough
that it'll pass muster. But now the SEC is also bringing action against them. So Hims & Hers, some real challenges there for the company.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.